Hi friends, it's me, Pastel, and I'm so happy you were able to make it today. This time, we are drawing one of my favorite ocean friends, a seal, and we're going to do it using the number 6. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open up my special sketchbook to a fresh new page, and today I want to use my blue crayon. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write a big number 6, but there's something a little bit different about this number 6, so watch. I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to go down and up and around just like a normal 6, but I'm going to stop right about here. Normally we would bring it around to meet this line, but for this drawing, we're going to stop right here and leave a space here. And I'll show you why in just a minute. So next, at the very tip top of our 6, we're going to do 2 loopy shapes. Whee! And this is going to be our seal's little tail fins. Now from here, I'm going to draw a curved line down to meet. This is going to be the top of our seal's head. So I'm going to start it, or I'm going to finish it right about there. So from here down to there. So now our seal has a head and a body and a tail. So let's give our seal a couple of flippers so he can swim around. So from the side of our seal, I'm going to do a little curved line and then another curved line back in. Same thing on the other side. Curved line out, curved line back in. Now let's give our seal a face. Do 2 little kind of circle oval eyes. There we go. Let's give our seal a little triangle nose. You can color that in. Now let's do some big curves for our seal's mouth. Now seals have whiskers, so let's give our seal friend some little dots on their little seal lips. And now let's give our seal some whiskers. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. You can give him more than 2 whiskers if you want to. You do whatever you like because this is your drawing. Oh, and one of my favorite parts, little eyebrows. And there we have it. There's our seal. We drew a seal using the number 6. And I bet your drawing turned out so amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.